in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Roblox Premium subscription. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight in the video. All right, I'm going to show you this demonstration by opening up a web browser. So I'm going to go to roblox.com. I'm in the home page here. And now from here, make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you want to click on the little gear icon, which is located top right hand corner, and then head over to settings. And now once your settings is opened, what you want to do is under my settings where it says account info, click on the little down arrow and it'll bring up more options. And now this is where you can see your current subscriptions, so click onto that. As you can see, I don't have any active subscriptions, but if you've got active subscriptions, go ahead and click on that subscription, then click on cancel, and then follow the prompts to cancel it. And then once you've done that, you have successfully canceled your Roblox Premium subscription.